Tickmill Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're trading Forex, commodities or indices, Tickmill promises a fast, low-cost and reliable trading platform, but is it suitable for your strategy? One of the biggest pros is speed and execution. Most people get this wrong by assuming all brokers offer similar trade execution. Tickmill uses low-latency servers and ICN technology, allowing near-instant execution of trades with minimal slippage, essential for scalpers and active traders. Another advantage is low fees. Tickmill offers tight spreads and zero commissions on certain account types, making it cost-effective compared to traditional brokers. The app also provides access to multiple trading instruments, including Forex, indices, commodities, and bonds, giving traders diversified opportunities. The platform is user-friendly with intuitive charts, indicators, and tools for technical analysis. It supports both beginners and experienced traders, with educational resources and demo accounts to practice strategies without risk. However, there are cons. Tickmill is not available in all countries, and some regulatory protections vary depending on the region. Customer support is generally good, but can be slower during peak trading hours. Leverage, while useful, carries high risk for inexperienced traders, so caution is needed. In conclusion, Tickmill is a robust trading app for Forex and commodity traders seeking low-cost, fast execution and a wide range of instruments. The surprising truth is that while it's beginner-friendly, successful trading still requires knowledge, risk management, and discipline. For anyone ready to trade efficiently with a reliable broker, Tickmill offers performance, low fees and tools, but always combine it with solid trading strategies to avoid costly mistakes.